Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Shantae's food/cooking channel, and today I did 2 videos, but I'm just gonna upload this video because I like this video the best. I feel like this video gonna come out the best. To let y'all know, to give y'all an update, I was cooking tilapia and fries. Fish and chips, you feel me? But I turned it into a fish sandwich slider. I toasted, well, not toasted, well, I toasted it in a pot, basically over the fire. But yeah, I got cheese, tartar sauce. I didn't do no lettuce and no tomatoes or nothing like that because I don't really care for those type of things. My seasoned fries, and I'm gonna taste it and let you guys know. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell. Drop any information you want me to do, what you want me to cook, a prank you want me to do, anything, and I'ma do it. So welcome to Shantae's food channel, with your girl. I be cooking everything up in here. Come on now. Come on now. Don't it make your mouth just water. Okay. Y'all, I know this is going to be good. I know. So, we about to get started and I'm about to taste it and then let y'all know how it is. But, these seasoned fries, good. I don't need no sauce for them. Second thing, can you go get me some tartar sauce? I'm about to put some tartar sauce on here. This is really good. Try y'all fries with some tartar sauce. Most people use ketchup, barbecue sauce, ranch. It's really good. And I'm gonna just pour some on there. Don't need too much. Okay. You put that back for me, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna look at this sandwich, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the first bite first. Hey. Hey. Cheesy everywhere. Hey. Y'all. Can't believe it's butter. Can't believe it's a fish slider. Now this is how a fish slider should taste. Okay? Ooh, that sandwich is good. I got the rest of my water over here. In the Snapple. Strawberry kiwi. Y'all. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and give me a cover to put right here because I don't want y'all to see my little dress. But this turned out so good. If y'all just try this technique, which y'all going to see in the first video, I swear, this is good. You don't need to, you not missing nothing. Oh my goodness. This is really good. I put the buns in a pot because this is the steps that you missed. I took the buns, I put them in a pot with butter, garlic, onion powder, garlic salt, and I let them get golden. Like, can you see this bun? Yeah, you know it's been in the pot. Okay. But this is really good, y'all. Really, really good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. That. Mm-hmm. So good. Yes, honey. This is really good. Mm-hmm. And now, I'm going to cut the second video short. So, I'm going to leave out with a bang. Like I said, just trusting me, believing me. I get this technology video stuff down pat, you know. Get better videos for you guys. Get a green screen and all. But, y'all need to try this. I promise you. I promise you. This is fire. 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 Make sure y'all hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe button. If y'all new to my channel, hit that bell. Go try out this menu. Go try out this recipe. I'm sorry. Talking too fast. Go try out this recipe. I promise you. It's going to be good every time you cook it. Shantae Smith going out. I love you guys.